Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Okay, I am hoping that you all are very fine at your homes, and I am hoping one more thing, that you are doing study also at home. See, uh, we already spent lots of time at home, and nowadays we are spending time at home too. So this process will go on very long. Okay, this process will go on very long. So try to use your time. Try to use your time. This is my request to you all. Please don't watch more televisions. Okay, don't watch more cartoon shows. Don't spend much of your time in front of the screen. Okay, so earlier in our previous lectures we have done chapter number 1. We have done chapter number 1 and we have done the exercise number A also. We have done exercise number A also. Tick the correct option. And exercise number 3, name 2 organs of each of the following system. These two exercises, exercise number A and exercise number C, we have done in our previous lectures. Okay, now it's time to solve the question and answers. Now it's time to solve the question and answers. So I am going to write questions and the answers. You have to write the same in your notebook. Okay, see my dear students, I am in the school and I am giving my lectures, but this time you have more responsibility on your shoulder to do writing work very properly at your homes. See, this time we can't say you please write neat, clean and beautiful. We can't say this line again and again because you are not sitting in the classroom. Okay, you are sitting at your home, so this time you have more responsibility on your shoulder to maintain your notebooks very properly. Okay, see, when you are in the school, that time all the teachers are saying like that, sharp your pencils very nicely, your handwriting should be more beautiful. Okay, give proper space while writing, give at least one finger space when you will write. So this is my request to you all the students of class 3. Please maintain your notebook presentable. Maintain your notebook presentable. Okay, so we will solve the question and answers of chapter 1, the human body. Okay, yes, question number 1. Question number 1, what is the function of skeletal system? Question number 1, what is the function of skeletal system? It means what is the main function, उसका काम क्या होता है, what is the main function of skeletal system? So your answer number 1 is that the function of skeletal system is to protect our inner parts and support and supports it. Okay, question number 1. What is the function of skeletal system? What is the main function of skeletal system? So the main function of the skeletal system is to protect our inner parts and supports it. Okay. Yes, skeletal system means the structure of our body. Skeletal system means the structure of our body. You call in Hindi कंकाल और ढांचा. Okay, you can call in Hindi कंकाल और ढांचा. Skeletal system means ढांचा और कंकाल. Okay. And question number 2. Question number 2 I am going to write for you. Yes, question number 2. Which organ controls all the body function? Which organ controls all the body function? So my dear students, which organ controls all the functions of our body is brain. Brain always control all the functions of body. So your answer is the brain controls all the organ of our body. The brain controls all the organs of our body. So this is your answer number 2. See my dear students, I already told you to learn all these spellings. Whatever organs spellings are given in your notebook, when you will read the chapter, please try to learn all these spellings. Why I am telling you this? Because when we will solve the exercise, when we will solve the exercise, that time you have to not to learn the spellings. You have to not to learn the spellings. Why? Because the spellings is the main part of the exercise. Learning spelling is the main part of the exercise. So when you will learn the spellings, your burden will get reduced. When you will learn the spellings while reading the chapter, your burden of learning spelling will reduce automatically. Okay? So whenever you will learn the chapter or whenever you read the chapter, whether it is EVS, English or any other L subject, please try to learn the spellings there and there only. Okay? Yes, now I am going to write question number 3. What happens? What happens to the food after it reaches stomach? Question number 3. What happens? क्या होता है? To the food, खाने का, after it reaches stomach, जब वो पेट में जाता है तो खाने का क्या होता है? ये question number 3. Once again I am repeating. What happens to the food after it reaches stomach? See, this digestive system I explained many times in my previous lectures. Okay, but once again I am explaining you because we are solving the questions and the answers. Okay, whatever you are eating, first you will eat in your mouth, then it goes into your food pipe, and then it goes into your stomach, and stomach produce some juice. And whatever food you add, it divide into small particles. And then stomach send the food in small intestine, and whatever is required for the small intestine it will take, and the all will goes into the large intestine, and whatever is required of large intestine it will take, and all the waste material goes out throughout with the anus. Okay, so I am going to write answer number 3 for you. You have to write as like me in your EVS notebook, and while writing please keep this one word in your mind. Your handwriting should be neat, clean and beautiful, because at your home we teachers are not there, so this is your moral responsibility to write neat, clean and beautifully. And one more thing, please don't forget to write the index part of the notebook. Okay, whenever you will solve any exercise, please write the index in your notebook. Maintain your index also. Okay, now I am going to write answer number 3. The stomach produce some juice. small particles and the food reaches the intestine. See, the stomach produces some juice that breaks the food into small particles and the food reaches the intestine. Okay, the stomach produces some juice that breaks the food into small particles and food reaches the intestine. Okay, see, I am not in front of the board, so you can see the board very nicely and you can write the question and the answers. Okay, first you will write all these questions and answers, then we will move forward. Okay, only 2 questions and the answers are remain. Question number 4 and question number 5. Question number 4 and question number 5. Only these 2 are remain. Okay, I am giving you 1 or 2 minutes. I am not going in front of the board, so you can use the pause button and you can write it. Then after 1 or 2 minutes I will rub the board. Then I will write question number 4 and question number 5. Okay. Please keep one thing in your mind always. Whenever we will do the writing part in our notebook, our handwriting should be more clear, more beautiful. Okay, dear students, nowadays or before or last 3 months you are at your home, and some students, they lost their good handwriting, so please keep practicing of writing at your home. Okay, now I am going to rub the question and answer. Okay, now I will write question number 4 and 5. Yes, your question number 4 is that what is the function of circulatory system? Question number 4. What is the function of Circulatory system. What is the function of circulatory system? See, the meaning of circulatory, first you have to understand circular. Circulate means to flow, behna, convert. Okay. Yes. Answer number 4. The function of circulatory system. The function of circulatory system is to circulate circulates the blood, circulates the blood from heart through blood vessels to all the organs of our body. Okay. The function of circulatory system is to circulate the blood from heart through blood vessels to all the organs of our body. Okay, the main function of circulatory system is to circulate the blood. सर्क्यूलेटरी सिस्टम हमारी पूरी बॉडी में ब्लड को सर्कुलेट करता है. दिस इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द चैप्टर. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द चैप्टर. ओके, नेम द ऑर्गन involved in the process of breathing. Okay, I am not making full question mark over here because here question is not start with what and why. Your question is name the organs involved in the process of breathing. In the process of breathing. Name the
from the heart. Blood from the heart. No, पहले from the heart.
Yes, now I am going to write answer number 5 for you. Answer number 5 for you. What are the main organs of the breathing system? windpipe and lungs. Yes. Number 1, windpipe and lungs. Windpipe and lungs. These are the main 2 organs involved in the process of breathing. When we will breathe, that time these 2 organs will work. Windpipe and lungs. Windpipe and lungs. Okay. So my dear students, here all the exercise of chapter number 1, the human body has finished. Okay, now I am giving you 1 or 2 minutes to write all these things. I am not in front of the board, so you can write nicely, or you can, when you will write, you can use the pause button. While doing pause, you can write it nicely. Okay. Yes, so all the entire exercise of chapter number 1, the human body has been finished. From tomorrow we will start new chapter. Our food. This chapter is especially based on the food. Okay. Before starting this chapter, we will read this life skill. Okay. See dear students, in EVS, life skills are very important. When you will complete the exercise, then the life skills always is given in your book. So we will read this. Okay. Human body is a live machine. Yes, it is very much correct. We need to care for it so that all the organs and system keep working properly. Okay, what is the meaning of this line? The meaning of this line is that always care of your body. Always care of your body. Avoid eating junk food. Do always exercise regularly in fresh air. So you will get strong muscles, and drink always more than 8 to 10 glass in a day. Okay, but your drinking water should be neat, clean and pure. Okay, always take a bath, care of your body and do exercise regularly. Okay, given below are some statements. Take the one that you feel is good for the body to function properly. Number 1, we should eat junk food. Can we eat junk food? We should eat junk food. No, always avoid to eat junk food. Always avoid to eat junk food. Junk food is like that: pizza, burger, chocolates, biscuits, wafer, chips and all these things. Okay, so we should not eat junk food. Put the cross in the box. Okay, and number 2, we should exercise regularly. Yes dear students, always try to do exercise regularly in fresh air. Okay, so put the tick mark in the box. And number 3, we should sleep late and get up late. Oh no, never sleep late, never get up late. Always go to bed on time and try to wake up early in the morning. See, when you was in your pre-primary classes, then you heard one poem: early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So always keep this poem in your mind, because this poem is very, very good for you. Don't sleep late, don't wake up late. Always sleep early and wake up early in the morning. So this is today's lecture. This is enough from my side. Tomorrow we will meet with the new chapter number 2, our food. Chapter number 2, our food. All the question and answers or all the exercise, whatever we have done, please write with good handwriting, with beautiful handwriting in your notebook, and don't forget to fill the index. Don't forget to fill the index. Whenever you will write all these things, please mention date, chapter number, and whatever exercise you are going to write, mention that. Okay. So, bye bye. Have a nice day and thank you.